Quiz time! Are you ready to test your knowledge on how to use AI for mental health? Your friend in the pocket. What makes AI particularly effective as a first-line emotional support tool? A. It provides unlimited financial advice. B. It has no ego and offers neutral feedback. C. It replaces licensed therapists entirely. D. It can read facial expressions. Correct. B. It has no ego and offers neutral feedback. What is the 90-second rule that AI often recommends? A. Stress usually disappears in 90 seconds automatically. B. Adrenaline surges subside after 90 seconds with conscious breathing. C. AI sessions should not last more than 90 seconds. D. Negative thoughts last exactly 90 seconds. Correct. B. Adrenaline surges subside after 90 seconds with conscious breathing. Which limitation prevents AI from replacing professional therapy? A. It cannot be available late at night. B. It cannot understand microexpressions or deep trauma. C. It lacks access to psychological research. D. It always provides biased opinions. Correct. B. It cannot understand microexpressions or deep trauma. What is one practical way AI can be integrated into a daily mental routine? A. Daily financial portfolio tracking. B. Evening retrospective questions about the day. C. Sending messages to colleagues automatically. D. Analyzing nutrition labels at lunch. Correct. B. Evening retrospective questions about the day. What is the primary benefit of labeling emotions with AI guidance? A. It increases the speed of task completion. B. It reduces amygdala activity and enhances control. C. It prevents disagreements at work entirely. D. It creates new emotions artificially. Correct. B. It reduces amygdala activity and enhances control. Thanks for playing. Scan the QR to read the full article.